Contacting Temu Customer Support is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, go to the official webpage of temu.com. Then, at the top right corner, you will see a support tab. Click here. So, the drop-down menu contains options for Support Center, Chat with Temu. For now, open Support Center in a new tab. Here, as for Chat with Temu, click on it. As shown, the window is getting uploaded for the time being. So, proceeding to the Support Center, you can explore the page. Here, there are some recommended topics, customer support records, and some articles. At the end of the page, click on Contact Us. Now, this will open a new Contact Us tab. So there is an office address, return address, and a Need Help section. There, click on the Contact Us button. Therefore, if you follow this procedure, you can easily contact Temu Customer Support.